Hi there! Today I'm going to be showing you what I got in my Amazon Baby Registry welcome box. And I don't know about you, but I'm on my third child and I have always wanted to get the welcome box and I never have, so this time I decided this is the time I'm going to do it this time. I'm also going to tell you what you need to do to get it and give you a couple of tips. First of all, this is free. In order to get the welcome box, you have to there's a couple of requirements that you have to meet, but they're pretty easy and they're not that hard to do. So I'm going to tell you the things that you need to do and also show you what comes inside of the box. You ready? Okay, so it's actually a little bag that came. I was kind of shocked. The first item is Philips Avent Soothie. They're 0 to 3 month pacifiers. Aren't they so cute? They're purple. And then I got a sample of Dreft Stage 1 Newborn Laundry Soap. So it's for laundry soap for newborns. So yeah, there's that. And then we have a Dr. Brown's by Handicraft bottle. And it has this little device inside of it, I should say. I'll show you. Okay, so that's what the bottle looks like. And oops. Okay, so anyway, you take off the cap. And there's this little thingy, and I don't know exactly how it works, but I'm assuming like it takes the air out of the bottle when your baby's eating. There are little holes on the side of it. I still don't fully understand how that works, but anyway, it's supposed to help with colic. Okay, so here's the next thing. It's a little onesie. And it's 3 to 6 months. Isn't it sweet? So I should say the brand of it is called Simple Joys. Debbie Carter's. It's a Carter's onesie. And then we got 2 samples of Honest diapers. I hope those are Honest diapers. I actually threw away the package. I'm pretty sure these are Honest diapers. And they came with 2 prints. Little hands with hearts, and they're newborn size, I believe. And then just typical little hearts. Oh, it's really bright. Sorry. And then we got One A Day Woman's Prenatal 1 vitamins for before, during, and after pregnancy with folic acid, DHA, and iron. And it gives you 5 soft gels, so it's basically a little trial. Okay, and then the next thing is this cute little bottle. And this is a MAM bottle. So, and it also came with a little pacifier inside of it, so I really like this. There's a couple of things about this bottle that I like so far. First of all, it has a measuring thing on the lid, which is kind of cool. I don't know if you can see it. And sorry, my camera isn't that great, but then this is the nipple. And then it also has an adjustable setting that adjusts the flow of how much milk comes out. And you just do that by twisting this. And then it comes all the way off. Anyway, so the more that you twist it, I guess that changes the flow. And then here's a little binky. And it is a mama bear and a baby bear. So cute. And then, yeah, that's what the binky, the nipple looks like. And it looks like it's a 4-ounce bottle. And then this bottle looks like it's a 5-ounce. Okay. And then, oops. Okay, and then it also came with a little sample of Baby Dove lotion. It's sensitive moisture gently moisturizes baby skin for 24 hours and it's fragrance free, hypoallergenic, and pH neutral. And there's a couple things left. It's getting pretty empty now. And then we got a trial Aveeno Baby Daily Moisture Lotion, fragrance free, paraben free. Anyway. Sorry, that one's kind of bright as well. The final thing that we got was water wipes. So these are water wipes, the world's purest baby wipes. 99.9% water and a drop of fruit extract. So that's kind of cool. Like, these would be good to keep in the diaper bag when you first have the baby. So that was all that came inside of the bag. And, just papers. All right, now my thoughts on it, my opinion. I think it's awesome. I'm happy that I did it this time around and got a couple of freebies. It's kind of exciting to finish the thing. So in order to qualify for the welcome box, there are a couple things that you have to do, like I mentioned earlier. The number one being that you need to make your baby registry through an active Amazon Prime account. So you have to have an account that has Prime on it. Honestly, I didn't have a Prime account, but my mom did, so I just kind of made it through my mom's account. The second thing being, there's a checklist on your baby registry, and you just look through it. They recommend like items for you that you might want to put on your registry, and then if you don't, or if you already have the item or you don't need it, you just check it off of the checklist. And I will show you how to do that in just a little bit here. But you have to have at least 60% of items checked off on the checklist. And then finally, just have $10 worth of purchases from your baby registry. So either you can buy straight from the registry, or anybody that you know can buy from your registry. As long as you get $10 worth of items purchased off of your registry, then it counts. The only thing is that tax doesn't count and shipping doesn't count towards the $10. So the item itself actually has to be worth $10 at least. The items that you get in the welcome box are limited, but I think it was up to $30 in value that you get. Okay, so then there was also one other thing that I wasn't too impressed with. The welcome box that you get, even though you make it off of a Prime account, it wasn't shipped through Prime to me. I think I ordered it in the beginning of January, and I got the actual box like on the 23rd or 25th, something like that. So it took a couple of weeks to actually get to my house. And also, whenever you have the $10 worth of items purchased off of your registry, you have to wait until those items are actually shipped to you for them to count. So even like you can go on your registry and go buy $10 worth of something, but you're gonna have to wait until those items actually get shipped to you in order to qualify for the baby box. So what I did was, to make it quicker, was I went on the baby registry. I made it on an Amazon account. I'm going to show you how to do the checklist here in a minute. You check off all the items that you already have or you don't need, or you already got. And I just put something that was worth Prime for $10 onto the baby registry, and then I just bought it myself for the $10, and then I got free shipping, so I didn't have to worry about shipping. And just to be safe, I recommend like buying something for $11 or $12 just to make sure. Yeah, so that's pretty much all you have to do, and it's really exciting to get the items, provided you wait the 2 weeks to actually receive them. But hey, it's free. You get random items. I mean, you don't know what you're gonna get, but that's kind of a exciting, surprising part. And in case you were wondering, you do get the option to choose whether or not you have the items based off of a girl or a boy. So if you're having a girl or a boy, it'll ask you. I hope that you enjoyed this, and I hope that kind of gave you an idea of what to expect when you get the Amazon Welcome Baby Box. Alright, so for this part, I'm going to show you how to complete at least 60% of the checklist to qualify for the Amazon Baby Box. To access the checklist, you can click on this area that says checklist or this area that says checklist progress. And as you can see, it says 58%. We need it to say 60%. So right now I'm in the strollers and car seats section, and these are all the things that I checked off. All you need to do is go to each one of these sections and check off a bunch of the items until it gets to 60%. As you can see, it says 5 of 5 complete, but when you first start off, it'll say like 0 of 5 or 6. So you just click on each one of these squares until they are checked off, and you go down the whole entire list and just keep doing that until your checklist says that it is 60% completed. Alright, so as you can see, we got to 66%, and that should be all we needed. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this was very helpful for you.